Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with admin access and saved files. This prevents interruptions. Open Settings, then go to Network and Internet and choose data usage so you can see what's consuming bandwidth. Once there, click on the adapter or the per app usage view to identify offenders. Note high percentages and recent activity. Make sure to leave essential services alone. This gets you directly to evidence. You'll act on concrete apps and interfaces next, not guesswork. Now you disable background access for specific apps. Select an app in Settings and turn off its background app permission. This prevents periodic syncing. Once done, set your active Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection as metered so Windows limits non-essential transfers. Then open Delivery Optimization in Advanced Options and switch peer-to-peer off to stop uploads to other PCs. These steps reduce both upload and download drains, and they target system services and individual apps for layered control. Finish by restarting Windows so changes fully apply across services and scheduled tasks. After reboot, open Task Manager and check the network column to confirm reduced background traffic. You should see lower percentages and fewer active connections. If something breaks, say an app stops syncing, revert one change at a time to isolate the cause, and make sure the app itself isn't set to auto-start. If problems persist, run the network troubleshooter. But most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.